Welcome back friends. Today's topic is regarding how to calculate students' grade by using the lookup function in Microsoft Excel. Although we can calculate students' grade by using other functions like the VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP, but here in this particular video I am going to take this lookup function because this function is very simple and straightforward. First of all, let's understand the data and requirement. Here I have the student's name. In the second column I have the score received by those students in a subject, and in this C column I need to calculate the grade of the student. Here I have the grading criteria table. This grading criteria table should be set up in a specific way, that is, you have to put the numbers in ascending order from the smallest to the largest sequence, and beside it put the grades. It means if the number is greater than or equal to 80, the grade will be A. If the number is greater than or equal to 70 and less than 80, then the grade will be B. So in this way we have to set up the grading criteria table. After setting up the grading criteria, now you can use here the lookup function in this way. Press equal to, then type lookup, open parenthesis, in the lookup value, click on the score, then put a comma. In the lookup vector, select the number range of the grading criteria table. Then lock this range by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard, which applies the dollar symbol. You can also apply dollar symbol manually. Then put a comma. In the result vector parameter, select this grade range and also lock this range by pressing the F4 key in the keyboard. Now close parenthesis, press enter. Here you see the grade is given as A for the 88 score. Now you can use the fill handle to drag the formula down, and all the grades are calculated. So this is how we can use this lookup function to calculate students' grade in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button, and also subscribe to the channel to get similar kind of video updates in future. If you want to practice this, you can download the sample workbook file from the video description. See you in next video.